Let me ask you something. Do you ever crave something sweet, but then wonder, will this spike my sugar? Or maybe you've skipped a meal thinking it'll help, only to feel weak and shaky later. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people with diabetes face these same questions every single day. But here's the truth. Managing diabetes isn't about giving up your favorite foods. It's about knowing what to eat, what to avoid, and how to balance your plate. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. We'll explore how food can work like medicine through medical nutrition therapy. The right balance of carbs, proteins, and fats. Foods that actually help stabilize your blood sugar. The most common diet mistakes, and how to fix them. Plus practical vegetarian and non-vegetarian meal plans you can start using today. And stick around till the end because I'll also share some smart food swaps you can make from your very next meal. Let's start with something powerful. Medical nutrition therapy, or simply MNT. Sounds technical, right? But it's actually simple. It's about using food like medicine. Now think about this. When was the last time you skipped a meal or ate something unhealthy and felt your sugar spike? That's exactly where MNT comes in. It's not about starving yourself or eating bland food. It's about strategic eating. Research shows MNT can lower HbA1c, that's your 3-month average blood sugar, by anywhere between 0.5% to 2%. To put it in perspective, that's the same improvement some diabetes medicines give, but without the side effects. And here's the important part. There is no one-size-fits-all. A 25-year-old athlete with type 1 diabetes will need an energy-rich diet with more protein for recovery. But a 60-year-old with type 2 diabetes and a desk job might need fewer carbs, more fiber, and controlled portions to stay stable. So the takeaway? Don't just copy-paste diets from Google or follow what worked for your neighbor. Your diet needs to be personalized to your lifestyle, your body, and your goals. Before you can fix your diet, you need to know where you stand. Healthcare professionals use anthropometric measurements to track your health. Body weight and height to calculate BMI. Waist circumference, because belly fat is linked to insulin resistance. Face to hip ratio. A higher ratio means higher heart and diabetes risk. For example, if your waist to hip ratio is above 0.9 for men or 0.8 for women, you have a greater risk of heart disease. And here's a pro tip. Don't just check your weight once in 6 months. Regular tracking helps you notice small changes before they become big problems. Your diet is made up of 3 major nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, and balancing them is key. 1. Carbohydrates, your body's fuel. Give 4 kcal per gram. But not all carbs are equal. Good carbs: brown rice, whole wheat chapati, quinoa, oats, lentils, kidney beans, spinach, and low GI fruits like berries and guava. Allow void: white bread, maida, sugary drinks, sweets, and high GI fruits like bananas and grapes in large amounts. Here's a trick. Always pair carbs with fiber or protein. It slows down sugar spikes. 2. Proteins, the repair crew. Sacchini repair tissues, build muscle, and keep you full longer. Sources: eggs, fish, skinless chicken, tofu, paneer, chickpeas, and nuts. Allow them for 15 to 20% of your daily calories from protein. 3. Fats, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Gratchit mint, good fats like MUFA, olive oil, nuts, avocado, and PUFA, flax seeds, fatty fish, protect your heart. Limit saturated fats, butter, ghee, and avoid trans fats, packaged snacks, bakery items. Healthy fats can actually improve blood sugar control. Just watch your portions. Think of fiber as your sugar shield. It slows digestion, prevents spikes, and improves gut health. Aim for 25 to 30 grams daily. Soluble fiber, oats, apples, beans, helps control sugar. Insoluble fiber, wheat, veggies, aids digestion. Micronutrients may be small but are vital. Kustenlose, Siam, nuts, spinach, supports muscles. Chromium, broccoli, whole grains, improves insulin use. Enlistpotassium, bananas, sweet potatoes, balances blood pressure. Calcium, milk, seeds, protects bones. Now sodium, the silent villain. Too much salt raises blood pressure and strains your heart and kidneys. The safe daily limit? 2,300 milligrams, about 1 teaspoon. Pro tip, flavor meals with herbs, lemon, or spices instead of salt. Even small swaps like replacing chips with roasted nuts reduce sodium and improve sugar control. Let's clear up 3 tricky areas: alcohol, sweeteners, and empty calories. Alcohol can raise or crash blood sugar. Stick to safe limits: 1 drink a day for women, 2 for men. Always pair with food. Never drink on an empty stomach. Choose lighter options like dry wine or spirits with soda instead of beer or cocktails. Sweeteners like stevia or sucralose are safe in moderation. But here's the catch. Sugar-free doesn't mean carb-free. Many sugar-free cookies still have flour or starch that raise sugar. Always check labels. Finally, empty calories, sodas, packaged snacks, pastries. Here's how a balanced day looks. Vegetarian plan. Breakfast, oats with berries and nuts. Lunch, 2 whole wheat rotis, dal, spinach sabzi, salad. Snack, roasted chickpeas. Dinner, quinoa pulao with tofu curry. Non-vegetarian plan. Breakfast, 2 boiled eggs with whole grain toast. Lunch, grilled fish with brown rice and salad. Snack, almonds or carrot sticks with hummus. Dinner, skinless chicken curry with mixed veggies. The key? Balance carbs, proteins, and fiber in every meal. Keep portions moderate and hydrate well. These are sample ideas. Adjust them to your lifestyle, tastes, and medical advice. Food is half the battle. Lifestyle is the other half. Even the best diet won't work if your daily routine is against you. Exercise is powerful. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate activity per week. That's just 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week. Walking, cycling, swimming, or even dancing all count. Add strength training 2 or 3 times weekly. Building muscle helps your body use insulin more efficiently. Don't ignore sleep and stress. Poor sleep increases insulin resistance, while stress hormones push sugar levels higher. Build good habits. Go to bed on time, stay hydrated, and try breathing exercises, yoga, or meditation. Remember, your plate sets the foundation, but your lifestyle strengthens the walls. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the essentials. Use food like medicine. Focus on personalized nutrition. Balance carbs, proteins, and fats in every meal. Include fiber and essential micronutrients. Limit sodium. Be cautious with alcohol, sweeteners, and empty calories. Follow a consistent exercise routine and manage sleep and stress. Bust common myths. Small swaps and regular meals go a long way. Remember, managing diabetes is about consistent, informed choices, not perfection. Managing diabetes isn't about restriction, it's about making better choices. Each small swap, like whole wheat instead of white or nuts instead of chips, moves you closer to stable sugars and more energy. Pair smart food choices with daily activity and proper medical care, and you can live a vibrant, healthy life. So here's your challenge. Pick one swap from this video and try it today. Comment below what you'll start with. Maybe oats instead of biscuits, or roasted chana instead of chips. If this helped, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Remember, diabetes doesn't control you. With the right choices, you control it.
And don't miss our next video where we'll dive into the best exercises for diabetics. Simple, effective, and easy routines that can make a huge difference.